Come on, light. Let's turn green. Oh, I got a racer. Oh, we got a racer.
Racer.
Let's go get him.
You're gonna make his night.
No seatbelts back here.
Oh, sorry.
I wonder if you know. He's probably gonna go crazy knowing that there's a GTT behind him.
These got a lot of lights, man. I kind of like that. I feel like I'm in Tokyo right now. It's pretty cool.
Snap. No, that's a Accord. It's a Honda Accord. It's a Honda Accord.
Wait, so
Yeah. All right, so welcome to an all-new episode of Ride Along VR. We are here in an R34 GTR. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah, this year's our first night run. Let's do this.
Heard this one was imported from Germany.
Yeah, here it's missing a passenger seat too.
A reason behind the seat, guys.
We got a car coming.
The reason behind the seat is I'm getting some V-spec seats put in.
Okay.
So those are coming soon.
So are they like supposed to get more power?
Yeah, so the V-spec seat actually adds more power because it lightens the load.
I thought the GTR comes with the V-spec. Oh no, this is not a V-spec.
Yeah, it's not a V-spec. It's just it's a standard GTR, guys.
Oh, okay.
Standard.
But V-spec has like all-wheel steering, right? My knowledge.
I think this all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
This is a special edition. This one's rear-wheel drive, guys.
From my understanding, they use this car in Japan as taxis. Is that correct?
Don't insult my GTR.
And something's wrong with your exhaust.
So crazy.
Yeah, sitting.
Ah!
This thing actually pulls pretty good.
Does it? Or are you being sarcastic?
Surprisingly.
That was only 9 pounds.
Yeah.
9 pounds?
The car only weighs 9 pounds. No wonder it's quick.
Yeah, it's a very lightweight car.
So how long have you owned this car for?
4 years exactly.
And you still don't have a passenger seat?
No passenger seat, guys. You don't need one. You don't want passengers. They add weight.
If you're married, you don't need a passenger.
Yeah, see? My wife couldn't come along.
No. See, that's the beauty of it. It's like, babe, I'm going, but I can't take you.
And I love driving on the right side. I think it's easier in the States driving this car as opposed to left-hand drive.
Right.
Just makes life easier.
It's the right way.
It is the right way.
Yes.
Now of course. Now the most recent GTR is sold for like 200,000.
This one was 250, guys.
This is 250.
I paid 250
what
cash.
The heck, man?
Cash.
That's
Very good deal. I
that's a
actually
solid
got a
deal.
buyer lined up for it for 50,000.
Oh, it's a bit of a lowball, but
Yeah, but he's probably right.
250, but you're selling for 50?
Yeah, it's realistic. No,
makes
to
sense.
be honest, I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate. We are just joking, guys. It's a GTT. They know it. You guys do know it, right?
Wait, what?
It's
well, it really is missing a passenger seat.
it's missing the
Because the
passenger.
GTT get me out, man.
But the car is overrated. I don't care what anyone says. It's overrated. I'd take a Supra over this any day.
Hey,
I only like this car because it's different. It was never allowed here, right?
And it
That's
doesn't have
true.
passengers.
It doesn't. You guys gotta get over my passenger seat. It's a
It's
glorified
very cozy
Maxima.
back here, by the way.
Yeah. Oh, you had
Getting a
room.
neck cramp.
This light's just super long, guys. I'm sorry. I don't.
They did put speed bar handles up.
that's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, be careful, guys. Right?
Dom, you want to hold that?
Come on, light. Let's turn green. Oh, I got a racer. Oh, we got a racer.
Racer!
Let's go get him.
You're gonna make his night.
No seatbelts back here.
Oh, sorry.
I wonder if you know. He's probably gonna go crazy knowing that there's a GTT behind him.
These got a lot of lights, man. I kind of like that. I feel like I'm in Tokyo right now. It's pretty cool.
Snap. No, that's a Accord. It's a Honda Accord. It's a Honda Accord.
Wait, so
Yeah.
It sounds decent, actually. It sounds
Yeah.
really nice.
I actually love the Tomei.
Yeah,
It's got a Tomei Extreme
It's a
titanium. It's all the way from the turbo back.
Oh, okay.
Very nice. It does sound good.
Wow, dude.
You know, he knows what he drives. I'm not gonna hate on him because once upon a time that was me.
Back
Don't forget where it came from.
Exactly.
in the day, that used to be.
And I'm a Honda guy for sure.
Not that kind of Honda, though.
What kind of ball fell do you have?
It's a tile. Tile.
Tile, okay.
T-I-A-L.
So how much horsepower do you think you're pushing on this right now?
Oh, it's not fast. I would say maybe, if I'm lucky, maybe 375 to the wheel.
It's just like the Supra. Everyone thinks that every single Supra out there is 1,000 horsepower,
Right?
but it's not.
They're not.
Yeah.
It's not about the power. It's about the driving pleasure.
That's
Oh yeah, I
true.
mean the coilovers and everything else I put on this thing. I mean,
Who cares how
I
fast
changed
it
everything.
is?
This thing is
This
fun.
Unique.
It's fun to drive.
Definitely a nostalgic.
Yep. It takes you back in the time, 1990s.
Do you feel like Paul Walker driving this?
No, because his was probably better.
Although they did use the GTT in the movies.
They did. Now this car is
Some
under
of them.
construction, guys. Stay tuned because it's supposed to be completely different. Working on it slowly. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I got all the parts for it. Slow GTR conversion coming soon. All right, guys. Back to
Driving.
chit chat
Let's
here.
talk-
We
let's-
sit down and we talk.
How about we let them listen to the engine?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Well, after this red light turns green.
Yeah, everyone's probably fast forwarding this conversation.
No,
They're probably calling us annoying.
They'll probably look at me with my head cramp on the side like this.
I hope it stayed that way because we're gonna watch it.
Realistically,
we
this
want to know
video's
if we're
gonna get
exaggerating that or
Maybe
not.
sideways. Look, there's no room.
this video's only gonna get 10 views, and that's probably just us watching it.
Put it on repeat on different IP addresses.
There you go. Now, if you guys don't know, you can actually put it on a higher res and watch it in better quality if you really wanted to.
Should have said that in the
Oh,
beginning.
let's
I should have said that at the beginning.
We don't want them to see this detail of my head sideways here.
Now, the cool thing about his speedometer is actually programmed with miles per hour. Is that right?
Yep, I got the GPS hooked up, so it tells me everything in miles per hour, so it's not confusing.
That's cool.
Yeah.
But wait, this is not a GTR, though, right?
It
That-
says it right here,
I
guys.
think we
It says GTR.
established that.
We're slowly converting it to a GTR. Again, probably get hate comments for that, but that's what I wanted to do. I can't afford $250,000 for a GTR.
I thought you bought this for $250,000.
Yeah, something like
There's
that.
RB18 in this?
Yeah, RB18. You gotta at least make it sound realistic.
Okay, for the people that really don't know the difference between a GTR and a GTT, what's the difference in the motor?
Oh, this is RB25 Neo, so the internals are 26. But I mean, the common obvious thing is it's
Twin
not
turbo
RB26.
versus single turbo,
yeah,
right?
That too.
Yep.
It's not all-wheel drive; it's rear-wheel drive.
That's it?
There's a lot of things.
Oh, is there?
involved.
Okay.
There's a big difference when you're driving this. So I got an R33 GTR. Man, that thing is so much fun to drive. I love that thing.
Had.
Versus this, I got another one coming.
Oh, right.
The other big difference is they actually have t-shirts for RB26. You won't see it for RB.
That's true too.
Yeah, you're not really proud to be a 25 owner.
That's the biggest difference. My,
That's a stock turbo too, huh?
All stock.
it's just fun to try. That's what it is.
But I'm not going fast because I gotta get it tuned still. It's doing 14 psi when it shouldn't pass 11. So I don't know why it's doing that.
It likes the weather.
Weather.
Yeah, it's cold out.
That or not boost creep, right?
No, it's not. It's just creeping all the way through. Yeah, it's going all the way to 14, 15. If I hold it, it'll keep going. I hope I don't have a leak.
Yeah.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Maybe not,
Like my
yeah.
intercooler.
Sounds like you may have a small leak somewhere. Maybe the intercooler.
More red lights, yes.
Yeah, welcome to my city, guys.
Does sound nice. I'll give it that. Very nice.
Surprisingly, it's actually a very smooth car.
You think we should contact Doug?
Who's Doug?
Car review guy.
Oh,
Oh.
No?
Nah.
it's the silence.
How about Manny Cushman?
Yeah, he wants
Manny,
it.
if you're watching this,
You want?
Why would he watch this video?
you never know. You might.
I think he's got more important things to do.
You YouTubers out there, please forward this video to Manny.
Or anyone, we can
Let's
put this
try
camera in. We're using a 360. Explain your camera,
There
guys.
we go. All
Ah,
right, this is advertisement for Manny. We're going to come over to California and do 360 videos of all his cars.
Right. I'm not telling you which kind of camera I'm using,
No,
but it's a
we
very
can't tell you that.
expensive 360 camera.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool one, actually.
Yeah.
Make sure you tag Manny.
I will try.
Is this street called Clown International Parkway?
Cool. Oh.
There's an airport right here, guys.
Now everyone knows where he lives.
Man. What do you guys think of the $3 car washes? Honestly.
I take it all the time.
I
Comes
only
up
do
on
it
wheels, but I take it all the time.
in this car.
No, not this one. This one I can't line up the wheel for the the left wheel on this car.
I mean, it's good for the price, but I always opt in for the highest package, so it turns out to be like a $20 car wash.
You can go to a better place for
They
20,
have free vacuums.
That's nice too.
and they're hiring.
But you have to vacuum it yourself.
Work for an hour and it's free.
Ah.
Think about that. Guys, the horn on this car is awesome.
Is it Ferrari horn?
I don't
right?
want to honk at this guy yet, but
Yeah, let's not do that.
Beep.
we'll do it somewhere else.
Yeah.
I had the horn changed out. It's the little things that make me happy.
Like a passenger seat.
And I usually don't sit this close to the steering wheel.
He has to today.
It's very uncomfortable for me to drive too.
But traditionally, if you're racing, you want to stay closer to the steering wheel.
This close?
I think so.
Yeah. That's the whole point. You don't be too far away.
I mean, I got a lot of leg room. I gotta be honest. I can put my feet all the way down. If you guys look down right now, you'll see my feet.
What kind of shoes are you wearing?
Cloud
Wait,
runners?
I have the same ones.
I got the same ones too.
Oh, wait, you have the same
This
ones?
is not an advertisement.
Oh.
I think whoever was really watching this wanted.
Side story, the way these shoes came up, you know what the inventor did? He took hose, like garden hoses, cut them all up in different pieces, put it underneath his foot, and walked around.
Oh wow.
And that's the shape of the shoe.
Is that true?
How'd you find that out?
What are you researching, dude? See, not only is this a car channel, but it's educational shoe channel.
Look it
Yeah.
up. It's actually a very motivational way this guy came up with this company. And it's massive now. It's selling so many shoes every day.
Whee!
Yeah, it's not moving.
Oh yeah. Very nice. May have to go to a muffler shop just to get that checked out.
It's too loud.
Oh, you hear that blow off out.
Yeah.
And you hear that little like metal thing when he shifts?
It's gated.
It's gated.
There's a cop in front of me. Are we good?
Snap.
I don't have
Turn off
a,
light?
no, it's not even that. I don't have a bumper on my car. Oh, there's another cop right there.
Lovely, of course.
That'll make for a good video, guys. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Cop, we can't
Got
open
two
the-
cops.
We can't open the passenger side window.
That's the other thing. The camera's mounted.
He's on the wrong side.
You guys want to hear the horn?
Sure.
Oh.
Whoa!
Is that a Ferrari horn?
It's so loud, the guy moved.
It's actually a Nissan horn.
Sounds like a.
Is it really?
It's stock. It's called a. It's a sport horn.
It's Italian. for
Sounds
sure.
cool, right?
I gotta get that. And my
This car
Supra.
is imported from Germany.
Germany.
That's Italy, isn't it?
Yeah, same thing.
All right, guys. We're gonna wrap it up here.
All right, well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, passenger ride along.
Right along.
The
VR.
local massage place around here.
Oh, you want to get a massage?
I can get my neck straight again.
And
I
yeah,
don't know a few places. Let's go.
well, with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below. And if there's any other cars you want to see as well, comment down below as well. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye.